Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how to delete a funnel from your ClickFunnels, because I was trying to figure this out the other day, and I finally figured it out. So I was thinking, well, maybe some other people who are using ClickFunnels might want to know how to do this too, instead of searching all over the place or what have you. I don't know if you found the information already, but yeah, in ClickFunnels, say you do a funnel and you decide that you don't want it, or you're just not going to use it, or something like that. But the thing is about ClickFunnels, guys, is that you can get rid of a funnel that you don't want, but it's not necessarily deleting it. So I'm going to show how you can do this. Okay, so I'm in my ClickFunnels account in my back office, and what you're going to do, you want to go here to ClickFunnels, and then you want to go to your funnels, and it's going to bring up all the funnels I have. Okay, so I already did this process on some of my funnels, so I'm just gonna do like a walkthrough on this and not actually do it. So let's just click on that one. That's a shared site I have. Okay, so now you're gonna want to click on the funnel that you want to get rid of. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go over to settings, click on settings, and you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, and all the way to the bottom, guys, and then you're gonna hit archive funnel. So ClickFunnels doesn't let you delete a funnel, it lets you archive it, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to archive it. So with that being said, basically your funnel is archived, so it's not totally deleted from the your account, so you're able to access it at a later date. And then it also doesn't count towards like the pages or the funnels or stuff that you have. Okay, so basically that's how you archive a funnel. Okay, because ClickFunnels doesn't actually let you delete a funnel. Okay, so just wanted to shoot this video, guys, and give you that quick tip. If you found this video valuable, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you do leave me a comment as well. And guys, if you are not an affiliate of ClickFunnels and you're looking to join ClickFunnels, guys, I'm going to leave my link in the description below, where you'll be able to get ClickFunnels for a 2-week free trial, and you can try it out. Okay, so I'll leave my link in the description below for you to go ahead and get your ClickFunnels trial started. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.